Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this today's tutorial I will show you how to use Squarespace to build a stunning professional looking website step by step. Whether you are starting a blog, portfolio, business site or online store, this guide will help you to launch your site in under 20 minutes. So we are going to cover picking a template, editing your homepage, adding pages and sections. Then I will show you connecting your own custom domain, and also how you can publish your site properly in Squarespace. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, the first step will be begin that always sign up and choose a template. So you just need to be visit on Squarespace. Once you come over here, you just need to be create an account, or you just need to be click on this get started. Once you click over here, then it will ask you some questions. As you can see it, like you just need to be choose a template that fits your style or industry. Like don't worry, you can change the customize everything later. It's totally in your control. Then here I will click on I'm going to create an account on the photography, and then choose this photography, then click on next. Once I click over, then what do you want to do with your website? I want to collect, or I want to sell products, publish blog, showcase work, sell online course, build community, sell on demand videos, and many more. So I will click on next. Once I click over here, then they will ask how would you like to start building your website. You can choose a template, or you can build a template on yours. So I am going to work with this one. Choose a template, just click over here. Once I click over here, then here eventually you can see we have couple of themes or templates we have. So I will click on one page also. So now let's go see, does anything look acquirable for us. So I think this one will be good, or we can choose another one. Like here you can see we have couple of categories over here. So I will choose in the last. Let's go to the last and try to, yeah, I think this one will be good. So I will click on of them, and then I will click on start with this design. Once I click over here, then it will take a while. Then here you will get the options, create a free account using email or Google or Apple login. So I will go with continue with Google because it is the simplest one. So that's why I will select this one. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then you just need to be select your email address. Just select this one and then click on continue, and here you can see our account creation has been done. So once your account is created, you will be taken straight into the website builder. Here you can see it. So let's see it. Yeah, as you can see, we are already in our website builder. Let me give you a tip, that is choose a minimalist template if you are unsure. Clean design work for almost any niche. That's why I suggest you. So here you can see this is the dashboard, and here we have couple of options. As you can see, website, then product, service, content and membership, and even scheduling, donations and invoicing. This is all in one we are getting in here. So now we are going to customize our homepage. So your homepage is the first impression, so let's edit it. So I will click on edit site options. In the right corner top button you will find out this edit site option. Just click over here, and now eventually you can click on edit. Once you click over here, now here you can easily create whatever you want to edit. So hover over any section you want to edit. Like you can hover any section and they will give you the options to edit it. Like here I'm going to hover a header, and here you can see they will give us the option called edit site header. I will just click over here, and now eventually I am able to edit the header. Similarly you can do with any kind of sections you want. Then you can change text by clicking and typing directly. Here you can see this is the text. So I am going to change the title. So here I'm going to give my name. Here you can see that our name has been published here. Then you could replace image with your own by clicking the image replace. So here, does we have an image? No, we don't. So I'm going to add an elements. Here we have the buttons. Just enable it. Yeah, you can see it. So once you're done, just click on site style or save. Once you're done, then it has been saved. Then if you want to add new section, click the plus button. Here you can see this is the plus button. You just need to click over here. Let's hit a design. Okay, let's go to the exit before, then here click on edit. Once I click over here, now here we are allowed to add a section. Let's add a section, and from here I'm going to add this one, and eventually you can see it has been added. So here, as you can see it, we can add anything like about, service, contract, testimonials, and email sign up sections in here. Like, let me give another tip, that is use high quality images and keep text short for better user experience always. Then when you're done, then we will shift to new section, that is add additional pages. That is important to create a new page. It is always needed for us. So let's click on exit. So here, if you want to add a new page, let's beat out your site with more pages. Like in the left hand, you can see we have options under the website called pages. Just click over here at pages, and here you just need to click onto the plus button. It is the icon to add a blog. So here you just need to be click on this plus button, and here you just need to be choose your blank page option, and in this way you can create a new page. So here I'm going to make a name that will be checkout, and this is our new page, and our page creation could not create the collection. Okay, so create checkout, and let's hit enter. So there is a couple of options. This is the reverse URL, please choose another. Okay, let's refresh it. If you had some or face some problem, then you just need to be overcome. There is not a critical issue, you can solve it easily. So I will click on new page, and here you can see it has been done. So this way you can easily create a new page. So here we are going to talk about each site style. To customize font, color, and layout, you just need to click on design and site titles. There is the options. Here you can see this is the site style, and if you click over here, you can adjust font, color, button, spacing, and alignment. Here you have all this necessary thing. Then you have this miscellaneous. Here you can add animations, spacing, and image block also. Then when you're done, you just need to click on preview, change live as you edit. This is the great thing. So if you want to add a Easter, it is not mandatory, it is optional. Like if you want to sell product or service, you just need to go to the page again. Here let's go to the page and click on exit, and here you just need to add an Easter like this shop one. Then you just need to add product listing, physical, it could be digital or service. Then add product image, price, description, variance. This way you can use create and shop. So when you're done, now you totally complete your design. You just need to come back to this one, and then here you have these options like click on setup guide, and here you just need to connect your domain. Like you have a custom domain, or you could get your domain here. You just need to click on this one, get custom domain, and here you just need to get a domain options and search your domain, or you just need to select one. Here you just need to search, then you just need to follow the process. You just need to complete, and then you will connect your custom domain to your profile. Then I'm going to talk about the analytics. So let's go back to this one, let's click this one, and here you have the analytics options. As you can see, this analytics will help you if you are doing business with this Wix platform, where you can measure your traffic, you can see the bounce rate, and many more. Then here we have other things like to see the sales, like how many product you sell, what is the revenue you had, then you need sold, and many things. Then when you feel that your website creation almost done and you are now ready to go live, you just need to click on publish your site. Just click onto the setting, then your site availability. Here you just need to come to here, and here you just need to upgrade to publish. Once you click over here, you just need to select your plan, and then hit the public button, and your Square website is now live for the world to see. Let me give you a tip in here, that upgrade to a paid plan to unlock all features and remove branding and connect your domain here. And then here you just remove this one. Let's come to this one, and if you want to add a product in the last, let me give you this one. That is, you just need to be click on create and add. Like if you are selling physical product, then click on this one. If you're selling service, go with this one. If you had the download product, go with this one. So I'm going to see you the physical product. Just click over here, and from that place you just need to be add your image. Then you just need to add your product name. That will be like you could add anything you want. That will be you, like let's add an t-shirt, and here you just need to be add your image, upload file. From that place I'm going to select this one, this image, then click on next. Here I'm going to provide my price, that will be 10. Remove this one, and you just need to be add infinity in the stock, then add more details. Here you just need to be add all of things, and then you just need to click on save and publish, and your product is published. So this way you can upload your new product or add your new products. The process is really simple. So I can say that now you know so much about Squarespace, and you can create your own website with this Squarespace. So now I'm going to give you a final tips, that is always use email sign up to build your mailing list and connect your Instagram or social media feeds on your Squarespace. And the main thing is use SEO setting under marketing to improve search ranking on Google and other Google platform. Then you could track visitor with Squarespace analytics. So that's it. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.